Hi there, I have a question for you. Do you want to speak English confidently? Do you want to start conversations without feeling nervous? Do you want to share your thoughts and ideas easily in English? Great, in this video I will help you do all that. We will practice talking about yourself, asking questions, giving opinions, and handling real-life situations. Are you ready to speak English naturally? Let's start. Chapter 1. Starting a conversation. I walk into a new room. I see many people around me. I feel a little nervous. I take a deep breath. I say, "Hello, my name is Denial." "What is your name?" I smile. People usually smile back. I am learning to start conversations every day. I notice small things about people. I ask simple questions. I say, "How are you?" or "Where are you from?" I wait and listen carefully. Listening is very important. Sometimes I feel shy. I tell myself it is okay. I can do this. I try again. I say, "Do you like music?" Or "What do you like to do?" I watch their expressions. I respond to what they say. I use the present simple tense to talk about facts. I say, "I like reading books." I use present continuous tense to describe actions happening now. I say, "I am learning English." I feel more confident every time I speak. I smile and keep my voice friendly. I repeat important phrases in my mind. I practice them every day. I notice that conversations become easier. I meet new people and feel happy. I enjoy small talk. I remind myself, conversations start with courage. I take one step, I say one sentence, I listen. I respond, I speak clearly. I try to enjoy every conversation. I know that practice helps me improve. Chapter 2. Talking about yourself. I like to talk about myself. I tell people about my life. I say I live in Bangalore. I work as a professor. I smile when I speak. People feel happy when I share simple things. I use present simple tense to talk about habits. I say I read books every day. I say I drink tea in the morning. I feel confident because I know these facts about myself. I use present continuous tense to talk about actions now. I say I am learning English. I say I am cooking dinner. This shows people what I am doing at the moment. I share my hobbies. I say I like painting. I say I enjoy walking in the park. I ask people about their hobbies too. I say, "What do you like to do?" I listen carefully to their answer. Sometimes I talk about my feelings. I say I feel happy today. I say I feel a little tired. People understand me better when I share my emotions. I tell small stories about my day. I say today I went to the market. I bought fresh vegetables. I say I met my friend and we talked for an hour. Stories make conversations interesting. I remember to speak slowly and clearly. I smile and stay confident. I know that talking about myself helps me practice English. I enjoy sharing, listening, and learning from others. Chapter 3. Asking questions and listening. I like to ask questions when I talk to people. I say, "How are you?" or "What do you like to do?" Asking questions shows interest, and people enjoy talking when I listen carefully. I use present simple tense for habits. I ask, "Do you read books?" or "Do you play sports?" I wait for their answer and respond politely by saying, "That sounds fun," or "Really, tell me more." I use present continuous tense for actions happening now. I ask, "What are you doing?" or "Are you learning English?" I watch their face notice their expression, and respond with interest. I use open-ended questions to keep the talk going. I say, "Why do you like that?" Or, "How do you spend your weekends?" I listen carefully, do not interrupt, and share my thoughts too. I practice active listening by nodding, smiling, and sometimes repeating what I hear. I say, "You like music, that is great." Listening makes me confident and friendly. I speak clearly and take a deep breath before asking questions. I enjoy learning from other people's answers, because asking and listening helps me improve English every day. I remind myself that conversations are like a game. I ask, I listen, I respond, and I smile. I practice daily and feel happy when I connect with people. Chapter 4. Expressing opinions. I like to share my thoughts with people. I say, "I think this movie is good." I say, "I feel this food is tasty." Sharing opinions helps people understand me better. I use present simple tense to give facts and thoughts. I say, "I like reading books." I say, "I do not like cold weather." I feel confident when I speak clearly. I use present continuous tense to describe my current feelings. I say, "I am enjoying this music." I say, "I am learning new things every day." This shows people what I feel right now. I agree and disagree politely. I say, "I agree with you." I say, "I understand, but I think differently." I smile and stay calm, because it is okay to have different opinions. I talk about trends, news, and events. I say, "I think this game is exciting." I say, "I feel this book is very interesting." Then I ask, "What do you think?" and listen carefully. I practice expressing my likes and dislikes. I say, "I enjoy traveling." I say, "I do not like crowded places." Speaking honestly makes me confident and natural. I remind myself that opinions are my voice. I speak clearly and stay polite. I listen to others, share ideas, and know every conversation makes me better at English. Chapter 5. Handling real-life situations. I use English in my daily life. I go to a restaurant and say, "I would like a sandwich, please." I smile at the waiter, because speaking politely makes everything easier. I ask for directions when I am lost. I say, "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" People help me when I speak clearly, and I always thank them politely. I shop in stores using English. I say, "How much is this?" Or, "Do you have this in a different color?" I pay politely and say, "Thank you." These simple phrases help me in real life. I handle small problems politely. I say, "I think there is a mistake in my bill." I remain calm and explain clearly, so people understand me better. I offer help to others whenever I can. I say, "Can I help you?" and smile. Being helpful makes conversations smooth and friendly for everyone. I practice speaking English every day. I use present simple and present continuous tenses. I say what I do, what I need, and what I feel. And I grow more confident. I remind myself that real-life situations are opportunities to speak. I speak clearly, listen carefully, stay polite, and feel confident. I enjoy learning and using English daily.